I recently showed you how to take a blue tote and make it into an endless water supply for your pet. You basically take a toilet valve and a juice bottle and install it in the tote. It automatically keeps the water level constant and it's easy to clean. If you want to make one yourself, it's right here, and I'll have a link in the description. There's been some really great comments on it, and there were some questions that I wanted to address. The first thing I wanted to mention is that this was meant for outdoors. You can use it in the house, but make sure it's in the basement and that it's near a floor drain. Secondly, I may not have shown it clear enough that it does hook up to a garden hose. Third thing on the list is just to crack the valve open a little bit. If your dog happens to chew through the hose or the container, it won't cause a huge leak and it won't run up your water bill. Here it is time-lapsed with the valve just open a bit, and it took 22 minutes to fill. Number 4. Once you know the water level in the container, you can cut it down to suit your pet's height. Number 5. If you look on the bottom of this container, it has recycle number 4. That means it's food grade. 6th item. Everyone knows how long it takes water to go stagnant. Use your own common sense and change it for your pet when necessary. And the last, number 7. People were concerned that this kind of valve would cause backflow. With it disconnected, water does not flow out naturally. I also applied a vacuum to that valve and no water came out at all. And a few people asked why I hadn't taken the label off the juice bottle. Well, now the project is complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the dinger to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.